Who's a good boy?
In this video, we embark on the creation of a three-dimensional rendition of Edward Hopper's iconic masterpiece, NightHawks. Subsequently, the EVA foam canvas undergoes preparation for painting. This involves applying multiple layers of primer and paint to establish a suitable surface for acrylic paint adhesion. To ensure accurate proportions, a grayscale printout of Hopper's NightHawks is obtained from a local print shop. With precision, elements of the painting are cut out and meticulously positioned onto the canvas using an X-Acto knife. Adjustments are made as needed. In this instance, the main building is elevated on the left relative to the background structure. This involves precision cutting along the building's edge, then securing the elevated building with superglue. Additionally, a box cutter proves invaluable for more substantial cuts. With the prime landmark in position, attention turns to intricacies, each meticulously cut and positioned. Once all the 3D elements find their place, a white gel marker is used to denote non-3D elements. Proceeding, detailed sketches of the people are laid out in preparation for painting. To facilitate this, a tablet is employed to enlarge the image for better visibility. A key technique involves initially painting objects with a solid color, followed by subsequent washes of acrylic to introduce texture, shadows, and highlights. One frequently asked question pertains to the duration of the projects of this nature. In the case of this endeavor, approximately 60 hours were invested. As for navigating the creative process, it's akin to the age-old inquiry of how one might consume an elephant, methodically, one bite at a time. The intricacies of paint mixing, though not always showcased, are crucial. Achieving the exact shade is often an iterative process, involving successive washes of acrylic to approach the desired hue. And the color value and saturation is often changed once seeing it next to another color that has already been applied. At this point, I am using a wet into wet technique to add a blue-green tint to the yellow walls. A layer of brown is added to the cigar sign above the coffee shop, and the letters are painted the correct color. As I get close to completing Hopper's NightHawks, I try to make sure that a similar mood and feeling have been achieved in my version of NightHawks as well. The light coming from the diner illuminates a darkened and deserted urban streetscape. When asked about NightHawks, Hopper always denied that it was his intention to infuse the painting with an urban vibe, although he did concede that unconsciously, probably I was painting the loneliness of a large city. Should a brush fall short of achieving the desired finish, a finger proves a valuable tool for blending the paint seamlessly. I trust you found this glimpse into the creation of a three-dimensional interpretation of Edward Hopper's NightHawks to be an engaging journey. Thanks for watching.